Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul. In this video, we are going to discuss about the type error and how we can handle type error in Python. So a type error in Python occurs when an operation or function is applied to an object of inappropriate type. It indicates that the Python interpreter cannot perform the requested operation because the operands or arguments involved are incompatible types. It's like trying to use a tool meant for one type of job on a completely different task. So it doesn't work over there. It's something like that you are asking a fish to fly and a bird to swim in the water. So let's take another example. If you try to concatenate a string and an integer without converting the integer to a string first, then Python will raise a type error. Similarly, attempting to perform arithmetic operation between two incompatible types, such as adding a list and an integer, will also raise a type error. So let's take an example saying that I have a variable, okay, var, in which I'm putting hello, and I have another variable var2 where I'm giving the number 42. Okay, now if I declare a variable result equal to variable plus variable 2, and if I print result and if I run this, you can see that we are getting a type error. And Python is also giving us information that what is type error can only concatenate string, not int to string, right? So if you want to handle this kind of error, you can simply put everything in the try block. So let me put everything in a try block. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and add an except block also. In this except block, I'm going to put type error as e, and then I'm going to print f, then saying that hey user, we have a type error, and then I'm going to give the detail of that error. Okay, so if I run this now, you can see that we have this message saying that hey user, we have a type error, can only concatenate string, not int to string. Okay, so in this code, Python attempts to concatenate the string hello with the integer 42. Since concatenation requires both operands to be string, thus a type error is raised. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the specific type mismatch that occurred in this program, and this allows the programmer to handle unexpected type errors and provide appropriate responses or fallback, ensuring the robustness and correctness in the Python application. Happy learning and see you in the next video.